Hello friends, today we'll see lecture on Community Development Program. Here are the questions given which are usually asked in your final examination. Most of the times the difference between extension education and community development has been asked. Now we'll see what is community development. Community means it is the group of a people living together, while development means to change the present situation and try to move towards the better one. So here in all, the community development means it is a movement designed to promote better living for the community with their active participation. It means in the process of community development, the people are involved. The group of people or community or the people are involved to help themselves and to improve their own economic and social conditions by working together by their own efforts while living in the society. Community Development Program was initiated in the year 1952 with the aim of an overall development of the rural people. Under this program, the overall development of the rural people was achieved by starting the various programs by overall development of the people in the agriculture sector, animal husbandry, irrigation, cooperation, public health, by providing them good education, then by having or making the available various communication facilities, transportation facilities, then by initiating or establishing the village industries in their local community just to rise up the employment. Hence, it consisted of multiple programs and it was a very good program designed for the overall development of the rural people and nation. This program was started by initiating the 55 community development projects which covered near about 450 to 500 square miles of area, that is comprised of 300 villages, and which covered near about 2 lakhs of population, 2 lakhs people population. And this was divided into the 3 blocks. Each block comprises of 100 villages and approximately 150 to 170 square miles of area with the 60 to 70,000 population. Each block was further divided into the group of 5 to 10 villages, and for this project 60 multipurpose village level workers were appointed to work at the grassroots level in the community development program, and one village level worker was appointed for the group of 5 to 10 villages here, and the project officer was the project head who was assisted by the subject matter extension officers of the various disciplines such as agriculture, animal husbandry, cooperation or public health, etc. And at the village level worker was called Gram Sevak, and he played a very important role in this community development program. So the basic objective of community development in India was to bring about the overall development of the people in the broader terms, that is by having the economic development, social justice and democratic growth. Here to bring the economic development means that is to bring the growth of the standard of living of a nation's people from low income to high income, to increase their standard of living. Then second objective was the social justice, to provide the equal opportunities to all the members living in the society. That may be related to their work, that may be related to their justice, the treatment they get, or the equal opportunities in the work. Then third one was the democratic growth. To achieve the democratic growth means that every member of a society should be involved in the decision making of the society or the community in which they are living. So these 3 manifold objectives were very important in the community development program. Now we'll see what were the other objectives of community development program. First was to increase the agricultural production, then second was to improve the cottage industries in the particular areas, then providing the minimum essential health services or the good health practices, then providing proper educational facilities, while proper recreational facilities and proper or the good improved housing and good family living conditions to the community people, and also to organize the programs for village women and youth development. See the National Extension Service Program. Actually this program was launched in the year 1953 and it was completely dependent upon the community development program. After seeing the enthusiastic or the good response from the good participation of the people in the community development program, the government felt need to expand this program throughout the country. But the resources the government was having were not sufficient, were not adequate to carry out the similar type of program in that intensive manner. So they started the new program, that is National Extension Service Program, which was less intensive, low cost program compared to the community development program. Both the programs, community development program and National Extension Service programs, were very similar and related to each other. The idea behind the NES program was to cover the maximum area with maximum people's participation with the less cost, and hence it covered the entire country within the period of about 10 years. The blocks in this, the blocks which were successful in obtaining the good participation of the people were selected for the further intensive development and were converted to the community development blocks. NES block on an average comprises of 100 villages with the population of 60,000 to 70,000 people and covered an area of about 150 to 170 square miles. And these blocks were not developed as the community development program blocks. So the blocks which showed the good results and the maximum people's participation with the good resources were selected further for the intensified work and were selected as a community development blocks. Now we'll see the difference in extension education and community development program. First, in the extension education, emphasis is given to the individual and bringing about the change in his attitude, while in community development program, emphasis is given to obtain cooperation from the group of a people. Second, in extension education, education aimed at obtaining individuals' development in terms of economic conditions and social improvement. Simply stating to bring about the rise in the standard of living of the individual and its family. While community development program aimed, or the education aimed, to obtain economic and social upliftment of society by collective efforts from the people or community. Then the main theme of the extension education programs is always based on the individual's need, while the main theme of the community development program is always based on the community's need or the society's need. Then fourth one is that the importance is given to change of decision by an individual or family for their own well-being in the extension education. For example, to change their attitude about the adoption of technology from existing to the new for their own benefit. While in the community development program, the emphasis on the decision making by group and representation of group for the well-being or the welfare of the society. In this we can take the today's example. For example, arranging the health camp in a village by considering the today's situation to fight against the COVID-19. So such type of a decision by the villagers for the welfare of the group can be taken. Next point of difference is that extension education is an educational arm of an government, while community development program is the direct approach of government or the strategy of government. Then next, importance is given to the organization which carries or transmits the knowledge from resources to the people, while in the community development program the importance is given to the coordination of services by working team who provides the different services. Then next is that control is by educational group in the extension education, while control is by government agency in the community development program. Now we'll see the next point of difference, that is extension education asks for the cooperation between departments and agencies, while community development program it forces the departments and agencies to participate. Then extension education is the branch of the Department of Agriculture through which the transmission of knowledge is done up to the farmers or the villagers, that is from resources to the people, while in the community development program the several branches of government are involved, such as that may be the Department of Agriculture, Rural Development, Health, Education, Infrastructure, etc., for carrying out about the overall development of the community. Then extension education is not involved in promotion of a local units, while community development they are directly involved in the promotion of the local units. So this was all about the community development program. Thank you. Have a nice day.